Hello guys, today I'll be building a furnace house. So sorry but I already started a little, but I'll make sure to show you, and we'll be finishing this today. Bro. So one, two, three, four, five, six, seven. 7 more. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's 9. That's 11. Okay, that's okay. Now we gotta do this. Bro, okay, good. Slime is running away. Oh, one more block. So, guys, I got this idea from a book. It's an audiobook on Epic. It's called A Diary of a 8-Bit Warrior. Bro. Okay, oh my god, I cannot speak. I don't know how to say it. Warrior. Yeah, I can say it like that. Just please don't laugh at me when I said that bad. I don't know why I couldn't say it. So if you want to read it, it's a very good audiobook. It's only 4 hours. It has chapters, but the chapters are named after the day of the week. Not going to spoil anything, but it's about a villager and kind of Steve. Oh, and guys, I have this mod on that mods that gives me this furniture. If you want it, it's called Furnicraft. Like this, Furnicraft. Oh, sandcastle. So it has these kind of topics. So this is music. This is for church. This is So now first I'm gonna do the light. Well, this is not a light. And if you guys want me to make a video about my build world, I can. Or short. Because I built many things. And if you want to see them, or see me build more stuff, you can maybe comment me your ideas, and I can build them. I'm not a very good builder, but pretty good. Also, if you want me to join your realm, I can play with you. Don't worry. But you probably won't want to. Now we're building the floor. Sorry if I'm being loud. Well, I'm not trying to. So, have been your day good? You can, and this is one part of the book. They made like a furnace house, and the teachers. If you don't want me to spoil it, then I'm sorry. The teacher like didn't like their book, like house, because it was a building class, and so I want to build this pattern, but I won't, so because it's like really hard. I'm sorry, I know I disappointed you guys. And also, this is a sneak peek to the twins' house. In the book, they said they go really good together, and I know that. Also, if you want me to post Roblox, which I probably will, I'll post it. But like, you can maybe recommend me some games that I didn't play that are good. You need so much cobblestone for this. Okay, so, oh yeah, and I also need to put light on the roof, so like, I'm using this because this kind of looks like the pattern. Wait, I think it does. Wait, it actually looks like the pattern. Bro. So, okay, now we have to do the, okay. Oh my. Bruh. You got so much peaks to the twins' house. Oh my goodness. Oh, they're sideways. How am I gonna do sideways, bro? No, do not, bro. Can I please put it? No. Yay! Oh yeah, if you didn't like see, good, this is the Jolin Kong statues. This is his full nickname. Okay, I'm gonna look like this because I don't want you guys to see it. Okay, finally I'm safe. So we need like, I'm thinking of a gray bed. Nope, the doors aren't equal. I do not like when the doors aren't equal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so here. So in front there will be beds, chests, maybe maybe like, yes, there's a stone table. And there's a stone chair. So I'm thinking like this, then go like this. Yes, dishes. So I want to put like gray food in the dishes. Where? Okay. This and this, also cookies and bread. Also, yeah. What? Cookie here. That, and that. Oh yeah, also steak. This is the finished product. Wait. Yeah, boy. Okay, guys, this is just a sneak peek. The twins. Okay, whatever. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.